Everybody should know this one rule before they file anything with immigration. 51% of the evidence says you're entitled to your immigration benefit, and 49% says you're not. You win. It's called the preponderance of evidence rule. And what it says is if you're more likely telling the truth than not, or if all your documentation says you're more likely entitled to a green card than you're not, then you're entitled to a green card. Immigration is not a criminal proceeding where you have to prove something beyond a reasonable doubt. And immigration officers hold a lot of people to proving beyond a reasonable doubt. Yet just recently, immigration wrote in their policy manuals, all officers need to use the preponderance of evidence rule. Now that's a big deal. For example, you go on a marriage interview and you and your spouse miss one or two questions, but 95% of the other evidence says you're in a bona fide marriage, you should be approved. You file for your parent, but your parent's name's not on your birth certificate. Or what about if you have a late birth registration? You have baptismal certificates, school records, even DNA. Your case should be approved. And what about all the applications where there's typos in somebody's name? Where one document has your last name ending in an A and another document has your last name ending in an O. If all the preponderance of the evidence says this is who you are, then you should be approved. The preponderance of evidence rule can save your case, but only if you know it, and only if you submit all the required evidence up front with your application.